Day 131. It's a nice, beautiful day outside, sunny day, but it's a little bit windy. So I had a beautiful baby boy last week, so I couldn't work on the project. And same time we had last week of Eid, and then we had the last week of Ramadan, and we had a Eid prayer. And I was a little bit sick yesterday, so I'm just catching up today to finish up the project. Hopefully I can finish it up this week. I have a lot of small details left to finish it up. So the crown molding is done. It looks a little bit small. This one is 2¼ probably we needed at least 275 or 2.5. That would look better, but this one is okay too. So now I'll have to caulk everything here, and then once that's done, I'll paint it to match the color of the cabinets. And the filler is done. Just caulking on sides left, and the cabinets, drawers, handlers are done. So alrighty, so the LVT is done. I like how it looks. So I'm gonna have to work on the baseboards now. Put the baseboards in, and then quarters all around, and do some caulking around the toilet, and should be good. And I'll have to put a pin bracket over here for the medicine cabinet. Change out the light. I'm gonna have to put the LED bigger one, and then close this one up. And this one gonna be just silicone, tighten up, water test, cover this place up, change the drainers over there, put the doors back on, clean it up, and the room should be good. All right, so the baseboards are done. This place is a little too big, but 1/4 inch should do its job. Quarter once, and then this looks good. This looks good. Some small details left. Probably I'm gonna go home, eat, and come back later tonight. I believe I can get it done tonight, and trash is coming tomorrow, so I'll have to prepare garbages. A lot of them. Alright, so the light is up. It looks beautiful. I love it. So I'm gonna put the mirror, and we should be good. Also, the paint is not done yet over here, so we have to sand a little bit here and there, and paint over this spot. Should be good. Alright, so this is how it looks like. This light is warm light. This one is cold. And oops, I'm good. All right. So the light is done. I think I'm done for tonight. Very exhausted. I'm not sure if I can work another hour. If I could, it would be very helpful, so that I can finish up some of the details in the bathroom. I have to put baseboard over there, baseboard over here in the back, and then the baseboard would not touch that water line over there. And this color is a little bit off because that one is brushed gold, and this one looks like bright gold. And some small details left here in the bathroom.